This message is for the one who feels behind in life. If you feel behind in life, if you look around and think everyone else has moved further, faster, higher than you, this message is for you. You don't need to catch up tonight. You don't need to measure your life against anyone else's timeline. You don't need to prove your worth by how far you think you should be. You are not behind. You are becoming. Some journeys move quietly. Some paths take long detours. Some progress happens so slowly that you only notice it when you finally stop and look back. You have survived things that require you to pause. You have carried weight that slowed your steps. You have healed in silence where others only saw stillness. That is not failure. That is strength most people never have to build. You were never meant to move at the same pace as everyone else. You were meant to move at the pace your life demanded of you. It's easy to believe you should be further ahead. It's easy to believe you missed your chance. It's easy to believe that time is running out. But time does not rush what is growing properly. You are not late. You are not stuck. You are not wasting your life. You are learning. You are stabilizing. You are rebuilding in ways no one can see yet. And that counts. You don't see the roots growing under the ground, but that doesn't mean nothing is happening. If you have had to slow down for health, or for your mind, or for your heart, for your responsibilities, that is not falling behind. That is you choosing to survive. And survival is not small. Survival is not weak. Survival is not something to be ashamed of. You are allowed to move slowly. You are allowed to change direction. You are allowed to restart as many times as it takes. There is no deadline on becoming the person you are meant to be. Tonight, you don't need to pressure yourself with where you should be. Tonight, you only need to be where you are. Here. Breathing. Still trying. Still here. That means you are not done yet. Your life is not late. It is unfolding in its own quiet way. And one day, you would look back and realize you were never behind at all. You were just taking the long, meaningful road.